Hi everyone, Al here from Open Walnut, and we're continuing our pen testing primer. In today's video, we will discuss pen testing focused operating systems, well, mainly different Linux distributions that is. Pen testing, short for penetration testing, is a subdomain of cybersecurity aimed at proactively identifying vulnerabilities in systems, networks, and applications before malicious actors exploit them. Specialized Linux distributions tailored for pen testing provide security professionals, ethical hackers, and cybersecurity enthusiasts with pre-configured environments, and a comprehensive suite of tools designed specifically for conducting penetration tests. These distributions are optimized for pen testing tasks, offering a range of tools for network analysis, vulnerability assessment, exploitation, and forensics. Using dedicated tools and environments for pen testing is important for several reasons. First and foremost, specialized distributions like Kali Linux and Parrot Security OS come with pre-installed tools and configurations tailored for penetration testing activities, saving valuable time and effort in setting up the environment. Additionally, these distributions offer a controlled and isolated environment for conducting pen testing activities, reducing the risk causing harm by misconfiguration to your day-to-day system. Moreover, dedicated pen testing tools receive frequent updates and patches to address emerging security threats, ensuring that pen testers have access to the latest techniques and methodologies for identifying and mitigating vulnerabilities. Kali Linux is perhaps the most well-known and widely used Linux distribution for penetration testing and digital forensics. Developed by Offensive Security, Kali Linux is Debian-based and provides a vast array of tools for every phase of the penetration testing process, including information gathering, vulnerability analysis, exploitation, and reporting. With its user-friendly interface and extensive documentation, Kali Linux has become the de facto standard for pen testers and cybersecurity professionals worldwide. This is also the distribution I am most comfortable using myself and what I will be using for examples in this course. Parrot Security OS is another popular Linux distribution designed for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and digital forensics. Also based on Debian Linux, Parrot Security OS offers a lightweight and customizable environment tailored for security professionals and enthusiasts. In addition to a comprehensive suite of pen testing tools, Parrot Security OS emphasizes privacy and anonymity features, making it suitable for a wide range of security-related tasks. Lastly, let's quickly go over Black Arc Linux, which is another Linux distribution that provides a vast collection of pen testing tools and frameworks. Based on Arc Linux, as the name suggests, a Black Arc, unlike Kali, has user repository and can benefit from user-contributed packages. This is both good and bad. Bad as you may end up with malicious package, good as it has a way wider reach. However, it is not beginner-friendly as Kali, and the setup involves more steps. I would advise to use it once you are somewhat more comfortable with Kali. There are other distributions out there, but these are the most popular ones, and now let's talk about some of the best practices. First and foremost, know your tools. Familiarize yourself with the pen testing tools available in your Linux distribution. Understanding how each tool works and its capabilities will help you select the right tool for the task at hand. Second of all, keep your tools up to date. Regularly update the tools and packages in your pen testing environment to patch known vulnerabilities and mitigate security risks. Many pen testing tools receive frequent updates to address security issues and improve functionality. Also, updated tools and packages tend to be more stable and reliable, ensuring consistent performance during pen testing engagements. Avoid using outdated or unsupported software that may introduce compatibility issues or compromise the integrity of your tests. Keeping your tools up to date also provides you with access to the newest features. Updates often introduce new features and enhancements that can enhance your pen testing capabilities. By staying up to date, you gain access to the latest tools and functionalities that may prove valuable in your assessment. Also, always make sure to secure your pen test environments. That consists of isolation, network segmentation, and access control. Segregating your pen testing environment from production networks and systems prevents accidental disruption or compromise. Use virtualization and containerization technologies to create isolated testing environments that mimic real-world scenarios. Implement network segmentation to compartmentalize different stages of the pen testing process. Separate development, testing, and production environments to minimize the impact of security incidents and breaches. Lastly, limit access to pen testing environments to authorized personnel only. Implement strong authentication mechanisms such as multi-factor authentication and enforce principle of least privilege to restrict access to sensitive resources. In conclusion, pen testing plays a pivotal role in fortifying environments by proactively discovering vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. Specialized Linux distributions like Kali Linux, Parrot Security OS, and Black Arc are instrumental in this, offering pre-configured environments and a wide range of tools tailored for penetration testing tasks. They provide a time-efficient and purpose-built setup for conducting penetration tests, streamlining workflows and reducing potential risks to day-to-day systems. Additionally, the controlled and isolated nature of these environments minimizes the risk of unintended consequences. Few things to keep in mind. Familiarize yourself with the tools you use, understand how each tool works and their capability. Also remember to keep your tools up to date and secure your pentesting environment by, at the very least, hosting your Kali Linux as a virtual machine. I will not be doing a video on how to install Kali as your VM, however, please check out the description for some helpful links on how to do that below. In the next few videos, we will be discussing the basics of networking, an essential topic and skill for penetration testers. Thank you for joining us in today's lesson. We hope you found valuable insights that will enhance your understanding of proactive cybersecurity measures. Your attention and participation are greatly appreciated. To stay updated on the latest content and insights in ethical hacking and cybersecurity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue providing informative content to our community.